Hello, my name's Charlie James from PureTech Security, and today I want to talk to you about the new Dahua wireless external PIR camera. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. Okay, so as we open the box, the first thing that I'm greeted with is the batteries for the actual unit. I'm going to take the unit out of the box, and straight away you can feel that it's a very hefty bit of kit. Let's move the box out of the way so we can look at this a bit closer. So straight away you can see you've got the sun hood on there. Very important for external, especially when you're using PIR technology as well. So what we've got on here is we've got our speakers. We've also got our 1.3 megapixel camera. We've got our infrared built onto here as well. So when it goes dark, you've still got a very clear picture at night using the microcrystalline LEDs behind here. We now have two pyros. So on the lens, these are pyro to give you the correct angles up to 25 meters. Now you notice there's two on here. That's to cut down on false alarms. Some of the other features that we have on here, at the end of the day, it's external, so it's IP65 rated. We have adjustable ranges on this, so you don't have to have this set on the maximum range. Also has free technologies built into it, so things like anti-masking. So if someone tried to cover the camera itself, it would actually detect that and actually generate an alarm. So the masking side of it is very important. So this is the new Dahua external PIR camera for the Air Shield, available from all PureTech stores now.